Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to talk to all of you today. The Indian market has been doing extremely well thanks to the very good macro, good earnings growth, and a very supportive banking system and corporate sector earnings at this point of time. At the same time, valuations have been expanding, and today the valuations are pretty high, whether it is in price to earnings terms, price to book terms, or market cap to GDP terms. On the other hand, debt is an attractive asset class, although investors have not been investing much in debt mutual funds. Gold is also an interesting asset class. So we were looking at what can be an interesting investment opportunity for investors, and we thought of ICICI Prudential Asset Allocator Fund of Fund, which, given the market valuations, is a very interesting way of investing, given that you get the combination of equity schemes, debt schemes, and gold in one product. We've been running this strategy for many years at this point of time. And if you look at the history of the scheme, in a year like 2020, when the markets corrected, we could increase the equity allocation in the scheme significantly. And at times like today, when the market valuations are high, the equity component of the scheme has come down substantially. At some point of time, we decided that we should actually add to gold in the scheme, because we felt that gold is an important part of asset allocation, and that has helped significantly. We think that we are getting the benefit of all our investing in different equity schemes and different debt schemes in this scheme, and we have used it to invest in different sector funds and thematic funds as well. And we get the benefit of the entire investment expertise which is available in ICICI Mutual. Given that the valuations are high and the markets could either correct or time correct, we believe that this is an interesting way to invest, because if the markets were to correct, this is a scheme which can add to equity. And even if they were to time correct at a different point of time, it can add to equity at a later point of time. And this is a way of investing in the long term for most long-term investors in India, because in one scheme, you are able to get equity, debt, and gold without the hassle of shifting from one scheme to another or one asset class to another, and thereby making it more easy for investing for the long term. We request investors to consider such a product, because it becomes a one fund solution for investing in all the assets. And as you know, at ICICI Mutual Fund, we are big believers in asset allocation as one of the best ways to create a good long-term investing journey. Thank you all.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.